Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Shadowplay desktop capture not working on Windows 10 and 11. Sometimes Shadowplay stops recording the desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11, and this can be frustrating when you want to capture gameplay or record your screen. The issue often happens because of disabled graphics settings or outdated drivers, but you can fix it by making a few changes. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Then click on Settings to open the Windows Settings panel. Here, select Display from the options. This is where you can control screen brightness, resolution, and other graphics features. Now, click on Graphics. After that, click on Advanced Graphics Settings. Here, check if hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. If it's off, make sure to enable it, because this option allows your graphics card to perform better and helps Shadowplay run smoothly. Next, go back to your desktop. In the search bar at the bottom, type Nvidia and click on the Nvidia app to open it. Here, click on Drivers from the left side panel. Then, click on the Update button in the top right corner. If an update is available, download and install it. Updating your graphics drivers is very important because outdated drivers are one of the main reasons Shadowplay doesn't capture properly. Now restart your computer so the changes and updates can take effect. After these steps, Shadowplay should start capturing your desktop again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.